Here I have OPPO Find X5 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to change slow motion speed in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the slow motion mode by going to the more modes, select slow-mo, and here by tapping on FPS you can change its speed. So like 120 FPS is like the fastest slow-mo you have, and the more FPS you set, the slower it will be. So you have like 4 different speeds: 120 FPS, 240, 480 and 960 FPS. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.